Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Talk Tech. Here we have another goodie which was sent as part of the goodie box we received from the guys over at Afbest. Here we have a moon lamp. I've seen these quite a lot actually. There's a few tech YouTubers that have these in the background of some of their videos, something which I think I might do with this myself. As you can see, it's fairly basic. You get the actual moon lamp itself, you get a micro USB cable, and you get a remote control. You also get the wooden stand that this stands on as well. Now unfortunately with this particular lamp you do not get the power adapter, so basically any USB power adapter that you have will work fine with this. Now, I've had this for about 2 weeks now. Now, I've got to say, I think it's a beautiful looking lamp. The one thing that I've been using it for has been a nightlight for my 4-year-old son, who absolutely loves it. Now, there are multiple settings on this. Everything is at the bottom of the lamp. So once you switch it on, you can change the colours. You can change the rhythm in which the colours change as well. The brightness that comes from this lamp is fantastic. It takes roughly 2 to 3 hours for a full charge, but once it's fully charged, you should get around 20 hours of continuous use from this lamp as well, which is fantastic if you're using it in a toddler's bedroom as a nightlight, because it means you're not having to worry about cables or plugs in your child's room. Now, this is a fantastic product. I absolutely recommend it. The guys at Afbest have also been really nice to give us some discount codes, so please have a look below at the description for the discount codes. Thanks as always for coming back to the channel. Please do subscribe and like the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, come back to the next video and I look forward to seeing you then.